Terms of use of an onboard unit in bell tow system. For vehicles with fully metallized front windscreens. Signing a contract and obtaining an onboard unit. Before entering the toll road, please contact any BellToll customer service point, sign a contract to use toll roads and obtain an onboard unit. To obtain an onboard unit, you have to complete the following steps. Submit your passport. Submit vehicle registration document. Submit registration certificate of a legal entity or an individual entrepreneur, if required. Submit power of attorney, if required. Complete and sign a contract to use toll roads. Make sure that the filled-in data comply with the provided documents. The next step to obtain an onboard unit is to pay a refundable deposit for its use in the amount of 50 euro in Belarusian rubles, and to top up the balance for the minimum amount of 25 euro in Belarusian rubles. Only Belarusian rubles are accepted for payment. Supply package. Before installing the onboard unit, make sure that you have got a complete supply package and study the installation instruction and user manual carefully. Define the mounting position of the onboard unit in the upper part of windscreen, avoiding windscreen wipers active area, tinted areas, areas with overhanging structural components. Having defined the mounting position of the onboard unit, clean the external part of the windscreen where the brackets with the external onboard unit will be attached. Insert the external onboard unit into the bracket. Make sure the external onboard unit align with the bracket side. Remove the protective foil from the bracket and fix the onboard unit on the cleaned and dried windscreen. Make sure the external onboard unit can be removed from the bracket if necessary and inserted back in the bracket properly. Having fixed the external onboard unit outside, proceed the mounting in the internal part inside the vehicle. Fix the adhesive tape to the back of the internal part within the designated area and remove the protective foil from it. Activate the internal onboard unit by pressing the button on it twice, which will start the alignment procedure with the external part. Move the internal onboard unit towards the external part. You'll hear regular beeps and see all light blink green. The alignment process has been finished successfully, and the internal part can be fixed when only X symbol lights up green and you hear a long beep. After the successful alignment of the OBUs and having the internal part fixed on the windscreen, attach the adhesive cleaning strip to the external part. To do this, take the external onboard unit out of the bracket. Remove the protective foil and fix the cleaning strip to the back of the external onboard unit within the marked lines. The cleaning strip should not cover the two light pipes. Then place the external onboard unit back into the bracket in a proper way, thus finishing the installation process. Before entering the toll road, make sure that the number of axles set on the internal onboard unit corresponds to their actual number, including the lifted axle. Audio signals. While passing the toll collection gantries, watch carefully for the signals of your on-board unit. If it beeps more than one or doesn't beep at all, immediately contact the nearest customer service point or call the info line. Top up your onboard unit balance. In case of prepayment contract, to top up your balance, contact any customer service point and provide the external onboard unit to the operator. Make payment in Belarusian rubles. Get back your external onboard unit and insert it back into the brackets. In case of post-payment contract, there is no need to contact the customer service point. The payment is made with fleet cards. To avoid violations and further increased substitute toll payment, the user should follow 3 rules. Install the onboard unit strictly in accordance with the installation instruction. Watch the onboard unit signals. Top up the balance in time.